Big bubble wrap.
Bubble wrap, the shitloads.
Just stand still. Just stand still. My God. No, you gotta have your arms in. Spin around. No, just keep your arms in it.
Keep your arms in it. You're gonna be in bubble wrap. You're like, no, you won't. It'll be bubble wrap.
Your face in bubble wrap.
Andy, leave your arms in it.
Right after we can put them on them trolley things and put them in the middle of the road like we've done with Ben. Hurry up. Oh, how quick would it be a box full of it?
There is so much bubble wrap. I wish we had like a van or something just fill the back of it.
Andy, let me smash this over. No! Fucking glass. No, it's not. Well, let me do it over you then. See? Andy, let me do it. Keep going, Will. It's not even on that. What shit? It's got more spinning. Andy, stop putting your arms through it. Right, unwrap it. Right, Andy, spin. Andy, spin now. Hang on, where's my toe? Spin. Oh, we need to make him stand on that spin.
How do you feel?
Right.
Protected?
Andy, spin that way. Yeah. Don't put your arms through it.
Just keep spinning, otherwise you're gonna break it.
Stop putting your bloody arms through it, Andy.
You're gonna get your arms more hurt.
Huh?
You're gonna get your arms more hurt because you can't protect them.
Your legs as well, a bit. You've got more. You've got bare. And your arms aren't going to go through it all. You're going to run out of space with your arms. You're going to have a finger out. We'll get another rail. Hang on, stop. Oh, I still can feel that. Bring it through. Ben, we've got bubble wrap. Bubble wrap. It's so hot. Right, next one. Right. Well, there's a big one. Andy, stop putting your arms in. Just don't put it unevenly, just fucking wrap it. No, do it slightly evenly. We've got so much bubble wrap.
Well, I want to see if we can push them over and see if it actually hurts.
No, fuck off. I get some more. Oh, here, if you wrap it, shut them up. I don't want to stop. Oh, Ben's already done it. We left him in the middle of the road.
It's just the bigger stuff.
Yeah, I'm just getting it out like this. Oh, he's putting his arms through his mate. And he's got Russ rolling. Oh, it's spin. Yeah, now it's spin.
It does it well comfy.
Here comes the shit bit. I only spin it,
Oh, Anne, you have to let me rubby tackle you. Why not? You're not going to hit your head. Look, Andy, does your head reach past here?
Yes.
No, it doesn't.
Hang on, we're doing the legs.
I love you, by the way.
Oh, we haven't got it. Like the fine start. Lie on the floor and I roll up it all. I've got the tiniest bit of cake in the world. Can I scratch my head, please?
Where?
Like, right, there. No, get your nails in.
Get your...
Right.
No, we'll just leave him itching. You know what you can do?
No, we need to stop rolling. Stop moving it. We need to do less of it. Andy, can you even move? Oh, fuck off! Fuck off!
Right.
Get some more bubble wrap.
Yeah.
My arms are pretty fucking
Well, just be like this. Boy, I really want someone just to drop kick you.
Wait, don't fucking...
You'll be fine.
No. I'm worried about a fucking teeth. Teeth? They're a state, don't worry about it. I know, I don't want fucking teeth. I will get all the bubble wrap you can.
My mum will be going sick wasting this bubble wrap. Like, I could use it for eBay.
You're invincible. But you can't seem to gather that. It's just like, go right up where we're going to take this bit down. There's one. No, do this. There's one bit.
Wait, say Teddy.
It's good. You sound like a yak. We do it like how Preston done it.
Who?
Preston Mason.
Jack.
Hello.
Fine.
No, get off my head.
No, don't put it on his head. If he doesn't want it on his head, then he's...
Oh, it's not tight enough. You have to have it bare tight so you can't move. No, I can't move. Yeah, you can. You can walk around.
Yeah, you can move.
Ben couldn't walk.
Yeah.
I was like that. I can run into a door now.
Yeah, run straight into that door.
Hang on, let's get.
How much bubble wrap do you think you'd need to, like, if you could, like, withstand like a 50-foot drop? Do you reckon it could be done?
Yeah.
All you hear is the biggest bang.
If people jump into like,
You know, that was float.
That was Darren, wouldn't it?
you could jump
Hey,
in
weird.
and roll over and fucking. That's why you'd have to have.
But the bubble wrap float.
Huh? That was float. Yeah.
Mate.
Jackass. The Preston does it. He's wee man on his back. Yeah.
Oh yeah, because you used it in a boat, didn't he?
Yeah.
Ah!
Fuck off. It doesn't hurt, does it, Andy?
Wait, help him up and he can run into a door.
Daisy.
We're up! He's having up!
Now run into the door, run!
Faster!
He's got it loose!
Can you even feel that, Andy? Look, just keep letting him.
Alright, yes!
His arm was there. Is that fridge box still over there?
Yeah.
Stop him in the fridge. Yeah. And he just went there. Yeah. It's not like you can move.
Oh, this is well comfortable. Oh, you sit, John, sit there. Is that comfortable? That's so comfortable. Oh, mate. Oi, what the fuck are you doing?
Well, you can feel anything.
Oh, John,
You got
sit
it?
there. It's well comfortable. You can itch it on the floor. Someone help me up, please.
No, we're going to get the fridge box. I'm going to put you in there. Then we can show you.
Would you like a little glass? Hello.
My bench is that thing
Okay.
what you used to do. We'd be holding up this. I was like,
Look at the pack of his neck.
no.
Help me!
Someone boot him. I meant the face. I was joking. Back off the wall.
Son of the underground, Disney rascal.
You're clearly not. Fuck you. What?
How many bucks? Give it up. Up.
I don't know if you realise, Ben, but you're black. Oh, that's harsh. You could have given him a heart attack. That was well harsh.
We've got to try and pick him up. Boy, Andy, from over there, you just look like a...
I can't move.
You'll be fine.